Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So, your Ninja Air Fryer Pro is showing an E2 error code indicating electrical issues like a faulty power supply. Let's fix it right away. No filler. Check if the unit is plugged in securely. A loose connection can trigger the E2 error. Wiggle the plug gently to ensure it's snug in the outlet. If possible, try using a different outlet to confirm the issue isn't with the power source. Next, inspect the power cord for any visible damage, such as frayed wires or kinks. A damaged cord can disrupt the electrical flow and cause the error. If you notice any issues, replace the cord immediately. After that, reset your Ninja Air Fryer Pro by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears temporary glitches and resets the internal systems. Plug it back in and test if the E2 error reappears. If the problem persists, inspect the fuse inside the unit. If the fuse is blown, you'll need to replace it. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to safely access and replace the fuse. It's usually quick and straightforward. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the internal circuitry or power supply. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja Air Fryer Pro should now be free from electrical issues. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've added the relevant links in the video description for easy access.